Okay, in last class what we have studied means we have studied about the types of pollination. There are three types in the pollination, which are those means the autogamy, deuteronogamy and the xenogamy. Autogamy means the pollination occur in the same flower, whereas deuteronogamy means, of course, here also pollination occur in the same plant but not in the same flower. Whereas third one is the xenogamy. Example of xenogamy, sorry, what is the meaning of xenogamy means the pollination occur in a different flower of a same species. Example of xenogamy is what? Example of xenogamy is the papaya plant, whereas the example of this deuteronogamy is maize plant. We will move to the autogamy here. There are, we can see two types of autogamies here. The first one is the chasmogamous. Another one is the cleistogamous. Okay, what happens in the chasmogamous means the pollination. Here what happens, this is flower, the flower are opened, those are the stamens are exposed, means ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ flower ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತಾವ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವ. See, means there is a chance of cross landing of pollens. There is chance of cross landing of pollens. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಅದ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. The pollen grains, with the help of wind pollinators, they will adhere on the surface of the stigma. There is cross landing of pollens may occur. Whereas a cleistogamous, here the flowers are closed. The flowers are closed here. So there is no chance of cross landing of pollens. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅವು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾರೆ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಇಂದು ಪೋಲನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ಇದ್ರ ಸ್ಟಿಗ್ಮಾ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಡ್ಹೇರ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಪಾಲಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಓನ್ ಪಾಲಿನೇಷನ್, ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಪಾಲಿನೇಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ cleistogamous is these will produce assured seeds. These will produce assured seeds. Okay, these will produce the assured seeds. Means what happen, even the in absence of pollinators, if ಇಲ್ಲಿ pollinators ಸಹಾಯ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರು, pollinators absent ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ pollination ಆಗ್ತದ. Okay, example of cleistogamous are the three example. Comelian, oxalis and the, okay, one second, Comelian, oxalis and the viola. Okay, Comelian, oxalis and the viola, these are the main example of the cleistogamous. You can remember like this: VOC, 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 viola, oxalis and the Comelian. Today what we have studied means we have studied, little bit discussed about the chasmogamous and the cleistogamous. Tomorrow we will study about the agents of pollinators. Okay.